Hi, in front of me is OPPO A2 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access safety and emergency. Then scroll down again, click on emergency contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of them, click on this icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!